Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Leaders and defending champions Mount Pleasant FC will hunt a sixth straight win to start this season's Jamaica Premier League when they take on former champions Montego Bay United at Westport Park this afternoon at 3. The Theodore Whitmore-coached Mount Pleasant have scored 10 goals while conceding 1 in their opening 5 games and are coming off a 1-0 win over Tivoli Gardens. Mobe are 11th on 5 points, with their solitary win so far in the season coming at home. There will be a doubleheader at the Stadium East complex, with Waterhouse, who are 4th on 10 points, taking on 8th-placed Humble Lion, who have 8 points. That match is at 5 p.m. Tivoli Gardens on 9 points and are 5th on the table, and they face former champions Portmore United, who are 3rd on 10 points. Since their opening defeat, Portmore have 3 wins and a draw to their name. This encounter kicks off at 7:30. Meanwhile, on Sunday, Malines and Limehall remained winless following defeats to Dunbeholden and Vere United. Nicholas Nelson continues to be Dunbeholden's only goal scorer so far, as he netted another double to lead them to their second win, 2-1 victory over Malines. His coach, Lenny Hyde, was full of praise for the former Malines striker. Now, Vere, in the meantime, hammered newcomers Limehall 4-1 for their second win of the season. Javier Brown got a double, with the other goal coming from a returning Kemar Beckford and Alric Maitland. Hillel Prep won the ASAJ Prep and Primary School Swim Meet held at the National Aquatic Centre this past weekend. Hillel tallied 387 points, 21 more than second-placed Mona Prep, who had 366, with St. Peter and Paul ending third with 264 points. Excelsior was the top primary school with 34 points. Addison Thomas was a double record breaker at the meet, taking the girls 11-12 50 free in 30.69 and also bettering the previous best in the 50 fly after clocking 34.31. Mona Prep A's 200-meter medley relay team broke the other record at the meet, completing the event in 2 minutes 08.59 seconds.
Because especially with the babies came out this morning and they did extremely well. They showed up, and for the afternoon session we won a lot of gold medals. The bigger ones, they turned up. They came to training all term and they did extremely well. They put out the work in training with Coach Alex, so they came here and they executed and they did extremely well.
West Indies under-19 pace prospect Isaiah Thorne blew away the middle order of emerging Ireland for a mere 62 in their second innings, as the West Indies emerging academy recorded a crushing innings and 34-run win on day 3 at the Coolidge Cricket Ground for a 1-0 lead in their 2-match series. Now, resuming the day at 23 for 3, Guyanese Thorne bagged impressive figures of 4 for 8 from 6 overs to rout the visitors, who had a 196-run first innings deficit. Joshua Bishop and Naeem Young supported Thorne with 2 wickets each. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.